Partner, R16. This was built from 68 to 78, and this one, being it has the white switches and not the color-coded red and blue, is a very early example, probably in the 60s still. The chain brake has probably been added from a later saw, but this is the first of the cubes. This is no anti-vibe, 55cc. It's a 44 mil bore with a 36 mil stroke, and these things come set up with 3/8. So I put the same square ground 18-inch loop that I've been running on almost every other saw I've tested lately that uses a Husky mount. And let's see what this thing does, because I've never really put one of these to work. While it's not modern saw fast by any means, this thing is very impressive for its displacement, especially considering that this is a saw out of the late 60s.